Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul. I am a teacher. In this video I am going to give information regarding 20 very important multiple choice questions for the preparation of entrance exam for Master of Public Health, that is MPH. This video is very useful for various university and institutes Master of Public Health entrance exams like AIIMS Rishikesh, AIIMS Jodhpur, AIIMS Raipur, CUET PG, PGIMER Chandigarh, TISS Mumbai, JIPMER Pondicherry, IIPH, NIMHANS Bangalore, JNU, Hyderabad University, ICMR, Pune University, Lucknow University, Kalaji Narayan University of Health Sciences, Rajasthan University of Health Sciences, and for all other university and institutes which conducts Master of Public Health, that is MPH entrance exams, and students who are preparing for various university and institutes, Master of Public Health, Master of Hospital Administration, and other competitive exams. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions. So here first question is, a group on medical education and support manpower was popularly known as. A group on medical education and support manpower was popularly known as. Option A, Kartar Singh Committee. Option B, Mudliar Committee. Option C, Srivastav Committee. Option D, Bohr Committee. Correct answer is Srivastav Committee. So a group on medical education and support manpower was popularly known as Srivastav Committee. Next question is, planning cycle has got several steps. Planning cycle has got several steps. So here point A is monitoring and evaluation. Point B is programming and implementation. Point C is assessment of resources. Point D is analysis of existing health situation. Logical sequence in planning cycle would be. So what is the logical sequence? So correct answer is option B, that is D, C, B, A. First point is option D, that is analysis of existing health situation, then assessment of resources, then programming and implementation, and then monitoring and evaluation. So planning cycle has got several steps. So the logical sequence in planning cycle would be, so correct sequence is of first D will come, then C, then B, then A. So correct sequence will be analysis of existing health situation, assessment of resources, programming and implementation, and monitoring and evaluation. So this is the correct sequence for planning cycle. The next question is, a 3-year graduate MBBS program was suggested by which committee? A 3-year graduate MBBS program was suggested by which committee? Option A, Sundar Committee. Option B, Srivastav Committee. Option C, Expert Level Committee on Universal Health Coverage. Option D, Krishnan Committee. So correct answer is option C, Expert Level Committee on Universal Health Coverage. A 3-year graduate MBBS program was suggested by Expert Level Committee on Universal Health Coverage. So Expert Level Committee on Universal Health Coverage suggested a 3-year graduate MBBS program. Next question is, planning cycle includes. Planning cycle includes option A, analysis of situation. Option B, evaluation. Option C, resource assessment. Option D, all. So correct answer is option D, all. Planning cycle includes. So all the options are correct, that is analysis of situation, evaluation, resource assessment. So planning cycle includes analysis of situation, evaluation, and resource assessment. All the options are correct. Next question is, set of statement for monitoring progress towards goal is referred as. Set of statement for monitoring progress towards goals is referred as. Option A, target. Option B, objective. Option C, program. Option D, procedure. So correct answer is option D, that is procedure. Set of statement for monitoring progress towards goal is referred as? Correct answer is procedure. Next question is Bajaj Committee true is? So what is true about Bajaj Committee? Option A, constituted in 1946. Option B, recommends formation of PSC. Option C, recommends health manpower policy. Option D, none. So correct answer is option C, that is recommends health manpower policy. Bajaj Committee. So for Bajaj Committee, true is recommends health manpower policy. Next question is integration of health services was first proposed by? Integration of health services was first proposed by? Option A, Bohr Committee. Option B, Jungalwala Committee. Option C, Mudliar Committee. Option D, Srivastava Committee. Correct answer is option B, Jungalwala Committee. Integration of health services was first proposed by? Correct answer is Jungalwala Committee. So Jungalwala Committee first proposed integration of health services. Next question is Bajaj Committee in 1986 proposed? Bajaj Committee in 1986 proposed option A, multi-purpose health worker. Option B, manpower and planning. Option C, rural health service. Option D, integrated health services. So correct answer is option B, manpower and planning. Bajaj Committee in 1986 proposed manpower and planning. So manpower and planning was proposed by Bajaj Committee in 1986. Next question is rural health scheme introduced by? Rural health scheme introduced by? Option A, Bohr Committee. Option B, Mukherjee Committee. Option C, Srivastava Committee. Option D, Mudliar Committee. Correct answer is option C, Srivastava Committee. Rural health scheme was introduced by Srivastava Committee. Srivastava Committee introduced rural health scheme. Next question is universal health coverage of India was recently approved by which health committee? Universal health coverage of India was recently approved by which health committee? Option A, medical education health group. Option B, MPW in health and family planning. Option C, high level expert group. Option D, health survey and development committee. So correct answer is high level expert group. Option C is correct. So universal health coverage of India was recently approved by high level expert group committee. Next question is which article of Indian Constitution confers right to life to citizen of India? Which article of Indian Constitution confers right to life to citizen of India? Option A, Article 11. Option B, Article 21. Option C, Article 23. Option D, Article 25. Correct answer is option B, Article 21. So Article 21 of Indian Constitution confers right to life to citizens of India. So this is very good and important question. So question is which article of Indian Constitution confers right to life to citizens of India? Correct answer is Article 21. Next question is concept of multi-purpose workers was given by? Concept of multi-purpose workers was given by? Option A, Mudliar Committee. Option B, Srivastava Committee. Option C, Kartar Singh Committee. Option D, Mukherjee Committee. Correct answer is option C, Kartar Singh Committee. Concept of multi-purpose worker was given by Kartar Singh Committee. Kartar Singh Committee gave concept of multi-purpose worker. So concept of multi-purpose worker was given by Kartar Singh Committee. Next question, all are included in health sector policy in India except? All are included in health sector policy in India except? Option A, nutritional supplements. Option B, medical education. Option C, family welfare program. Option D, control of communicable disease. So correct answer is option A, nutritional supplements. All are included in health sector policy in India except nutritional supplements. So nutritional supplements is not included in health sector policy in India. And option B, C and D, these are included in health sector policy in India, that is medical education, family welfare program, control of communicable disease. These all are included in health sector policy in India. Next question is 3 months training in preventive and social medicine during internship is recommended by option A Bohr committee, option B Chadha committee, option C Mudliar committee, option D Mukherjee committee. So correct answer is option A Bohr committee. 3 months training in preventive and social medicine during internship is recommended by Bohr committee. So Bohr committee recommended 3 months training in preventive and social medicine during internship. Next question, not used in healthcare planning. Not used in healthcare planning. Option A increasing demands for resources. Option B to match with limited resources. Option C to plan best course of action. Option D to decrease wastage. Correct answer is option A increasing demands for resources. Not used in healthcare planning. So increasing demands for resources is not used in healthcare planning. Next question, each sub-center should be staffed by one male and one female health worker. It was recommended by each sub-center should be staffed by one male and one female health worker. It was recommended by option A Bohr committee, option B Mudliar committee, option C Chadha committee, option D Kartar Singh committee. So correct answer is option D Kartar Singh committee. Each sub-center should be staffed by one male and one female health worker. It was recommended by Kartar Singh committee. Kartar Singh committee recommended that each sub-center should be staffed by one male and one female health worker. Next question, recommendation of the Krishnan committee was for. Recommendation of the Krishnan committee was for option A local DAI, option B village health guides, option C integration of PSCs, option D abolition of private practice. Correct answer is option C integration of PSCs. So recommendation of the Krishnan committee was for integration of PSCs. So Krishnan committee recommends integration of PSCs. Next question, which of the following health committee recommended a medical and health education commission for reform in health and medical education on the times of University Grants Commission? So question is, which of the following health committee recommended a medical and health education? So which of the following health committee recommended a medical health education commission for reform in health and medical education on the times of Universal Grant Commission? Option A Srivastava committee, B Mukherjee committee, C Chadha committee, D Kartar Singh committee. Correct answer is option A Srivastava committee. So Srivastava committee is the correct answer. Question is, which of the following health committee? So correct, Srivastava committee recommended a medical and health education commission for reform in health and medical education on the times of University Grant Commission. Next question, who among the following is chairman of Central Council for Health? Who among the following is chairman of Central Council for Health? Option A Prime Minister, option B Secretary of Health, option C Union Health Minister, option D Director General of Health Sciences. Correct answer is Union Health Minister. So Union Health Minister is chairman of Central Council for Health. So chairman of Central Council for Health is Union Health Minister. Next question, correct sequence of cycle is. So correct sequence of cycle is option A planning, evolution, object, goal. What is the correct sequence of cycle? So option A planning, evolution, object, goal. Option B planning, object, goal, evolution. Option C planning, object, evolution, goal. Option D planning, goal, evolution, object. So here option P is correct. That is correct sequence of cycle. So first is planning, then object, then goal, then evolution. So this is the correct sequence of cycle. Planning, then object, then goal, and then evolution. So in this video, information regarding 20 very important multiple choice questions has been given for the preparation of entrance exam for Master of Public Health, that is MPH. So this video is very useful for various university and institutes Master of Public Health, that is MPH entrance exams like AIIMS Jodhpur, AIIMS Rishikesh, AIIMS Raipur, CUET, PG, PGI, MER, TISS, JIPMER, NIMHANS, IIPH, Pune University, Lucknow University, ICMR, Bhubaneswar, JNU, Hyderabad University, and for all other university and institutes which conducts Master of Public Health entrance exams, and students who are preparing for various university and institutes MPH entrance exams. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF notes, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. Thanks for watching this video.